In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Google Pay on your Wix site, enhancing your payment options and making transactions smoother for your customers. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Wix editor in Google Chrome. It's important to use Chrome for the best experience because Wix is optimized for this browser, ensuring you have all the latest functionalities at your fingertips. Once you've opened the Wix editor, locate the dashboard. This is your control center where you can access all the essential settings for your website. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't already. Now, let's dive into the payment settings. On your dashboard, navigate to the Wix Payments section. This is where you manage all your transaction settings and methods, ensuring that your customers can pay conveniently and securely. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the option to add new payment methods. This is crucial for integrating diverse payment options, accommodating a range of customer preferences, and potentially increasing sales. Among the available payment methods, you'll find Google Pay. Google Pay is increasingly popular due to its ease of use and widespread adoption, making it a great choice to offer your customers. It supports fast, simple, and secure transactions, which can really enhance the user experience on your site. Once you see the option for Google Pay, go ahead and enable it. This will make Google Pay visible as a payment option on your website, but we're not done just yet. The next step involves connecting or setting up the necessary account details for Google Pay. If you already have a Google Pay account, this will be a straightforward process of linking your existing credentials. On the other hand, if you're setting up a new account, make sure to provide all the required information accurately. This might include filling out business details or linking to a bank account where payments will be processed. And take your time to ensure everything is in order, as correct setup is crucial for seamless operation and payment processing. Once you've successfully linked or set up your Google Pay account with Wix, it's time to finalize everything. Head back to the settings and look for the option to save your changes. This is a crucial step. Failing to save might result in losing all your hard work and setup. After saving, don't forget to publish your changes. Publishing updates the live version of your site, and only then will Google Pay be available as a payment option to your customers. And there you have it. By integrating Google Pay into your Wix website, you're not only offering more convenience, but also staying ahead in providing secure payment methods to your customers. Be sure to check your website from an incognito window or another device to ensure everything is working smoothly and that Google Pay is displayed correctly as a payment option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes managing your Wix site just a bit easier.